Yo, I've been in New York a few times, and just on a regular Tuesday, New York is the busiest place I've ever been to. I've been seeing what New York City been looking like just from how the Knicks been doing. You know what I'm saying? And they're not even there yet. If the Knicks make it to the playoffs and win this shit, yo, New York, to be honest, I'm gonna fly into the city just to record the havoc, the bullshit. Why? Because I want to be a part of it too. Like, bro, I promise y'all, if it's 3-0, 3-1, whatever the fuck, and it's obvious that the Knicks are gonna win this shit, I'm flying down to New York to cause havoc. I'm gonna jump on a cop car, fucking go to a bodega, fucking just do dumb shit. Nah, bro. Nah, this is, and what? They haven't been in the finals in 25 some years since I think Patrick Ewing was on that team or some shit. Nah, man, this hit.